Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Proton VPN. Assuming you've downloaded your Proton already, you're going to go over to your taskbar, search for Proton, open it. So when Proton opens, you can see the window just like this. Now right here you have the option to minimize it to look like this, or you can simply open it once again, or you can view it in a full screen. Now right here, the main part of the screen that takes up the real estate is the map of the world. Now when we click on Quick Connect, it will automatically turn on VPN on a random country. We're going to click on Quick Connect. Then here it's trying to initialize assigning IP address. And here you can see on the map, and you can zoom in by scrolling on your mouse. And right here, you can see the Netherlands. On the left side, you can see Netherlands, the IP address, the percentage of load, the WireGuard, and some other information necessary to you. Of course, you have the option to disconnect, or if you don't want this IP address, all you need to do is to click on Change Server. We're going to click on it, and it's going to look for another option. So currently it's connecting to the United States. Now when we zoom out and zoom in, you can see it's currently in the United States. Now you can see right here, Change Server, and you have the option to change the server after this countdown is over. That means you cannot just update or change your VPN randomly. You have to wait for a few moments for that to happen. Now we're going to click on Disconnect, and here you can see Disconnected. Now what's more, you can see your session traffic as you're using the Proton VPN. Now right here on the left, you can choose a country you want if you're specific on a country. However, depending on what you choose, you'll need to upgrade your plan because this option is the free version. So for example, if you'd like to switch your IP address to Denmark, you're going to click on the drop down, and then you have different IP addresses right here in Denmark. So this is for users who want a specific location. All they'll need to do is to hover their mouse over here and click on it to add it. However, you can see Upgrade to Plus. So if you'd like to have more control over your Proton VPN and where you'd like to use it and the country you'd like to be in, you need to make an upgrade to a premium plan in order to do this. Remember to turn off your VPN after using it, so this doesn't interfere with local websites. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.